How to unlink Free Fire from a Facebook account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can unlink Free Fire from a Facebook account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. From your home page, navigate to top right corner, tap on your profile with the three-line icon. That's gonna take you to this page. Here, tap on settings icon again at the top right corner. Once you're under settings and privacy, scroll down to apps and website. Scroll down a bit and under your activity, there's an option as apps and website, tap on it. And under this page, if you have linked your Free Fire account, you will find it right under this page. Once you find it, tap on it. And on the next page, you will find an option to remove or uninstall. Tap on remove and confirm your removal. You may also choose to delete any post the application that has made on your behalf. Once you have done with that, now Free Fire no longer has permissions to your Facebook account and you have successfully unlinked your Free Fire from Facebook account. That's it and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.